Hi everyone, good morning. Today I'm going to be cleaning my baby's car seat. Hasn't been cleaned in, well, since I got it. So I thought this would be a great video because I've never done it, and I watched a few videos like this and it seemed easy enough, so I thought I would give it a try because I need it done anyway. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. This channel is about cleaning, organizing, and motherhood videos. So without further ado, let's get started. I feel like I should do a clean my car with me too because it's looking kind of messy. This is what it looks like right now. As you can see, it is very messy. Lots of stains, and just take a look at the cup holders. Yeah, there's quite a bit of stuff in that one, and that one is, whoa, lots of crumbs in that one. So what I'm gonna do is, first I'm gonna take my little vacuum here and I'm gonna vacuum off all the crumbs that I can possibly take off with this, and then I'm actually going to take off all of the padding that is on the car seat itself, and I'm gonna machine wash it. I have to look at my manual just to see how this is gonna work out because I am scared that I won't be able to put it back together. But one thing that I saw in a different video of somebody doing this cleaning too is they took pictures of the before so you could see where everything goes, and then once you're putting it back together you just refer back to those pictures and you just match it up and get it there. So like this stuff right here is easy. This is Velcro, so we're good there. Obviously the seat belt itself, I think I'm just gonna spot clean those because I don't want to take those off. It does have the metal connectors there, so I'm not going to take these off and wash these. So it's just going to be this, you know, just the padding of it because it does have a lot of stains and I think it's needed for cleaning. So we'll do that, and then hopefully at the end it's going to look super clean. Sorry for my appearance. It is Sunday, so you know, I try to relax as much as I can. Let's do this. So this is what it looked like behind this. Look at all those crumbs. This is disgusting. This needed to be done so bad. Imagine if it looked like this on the outside, what it's gonna look like below the padding. I'm curious to see, but also nervous to see because I think it's gonna be even more gross. All right, so this is where I'm gonna take some pictures with my phone and just make sure that I'm taking everything off, just to know where everything goes once I'm trying to put it back on. Alright, so this is what it looks like on the inside. Definitely not as bad as I thought it was going to be. So I'm just gonna vacuum all this stuff up. There's cookies and stuff in here, so I can't suck that up. Okay, I just gotta show you what happened when I turned it upside down. The big crumbs, those 3 right there, I already had out, but then all of this that you see on the floor came out. So it's a good idea to do that. These are the things that were stuck. That little ball, I think they're corn pops, so yay. So referring to my manual, I wanted to double check that I can machine wash this because I don't want to ruin it and then have to buy another car seat. And we all know that, moms here, we all know that car seats are not cheap. I personally have the Graco forever. I just wanted to buy a car seat that could last me throughout the whole time my baby needs a car seat. So I decided to spend the extra money on that one, and of course I wouldn't want to ruin this one and have to buy another one. So I pulled up the instructions because apparently I lost my manual. If you're getting one of these, I would highly suggest to put it where they say to put it, which is down here. There is a spot down here, where you can see it, down here for your manual, just to keep your manual book in there just in case of anything like right now. But if you do lose it like I did, I know it's somewhere in this house, but I'm not about to go look for it when I can find it on the internet. If you just go to gracobaby.com, you can find it. So I just wanted to make sure that I can do it, and it says, yes, you can machine wash it. You can machine wash the pads in cold water on delicate cycle, and then just air dry these. It says, obviously, don't use bleach. Black stuff. Headrest pad and the seat pad we can machine wash in cold water on delicate cycle. The buckles you can spot clean with warm water. It says do not submerge buckle straps. Do not use soap, household detergent, or lubricants. Alright, so I'm just going to spot clean that with warm water. I'm going to get this stuff over to my washing machine and come back once I'm done. While the padding is in the washer, I'm gonna spot clean the stuff that is left here. So like the buckles, the cup holders, the straps, all of that I'm gonna spot clean, and even the base, because there's spots on the base that are probably just spills from her drinks. So all I have here is, I'm just gonna use warm water and see how this goes first, and just a rag. Just spot cleaning, wiping down with warm water. Look at this. Well, to me, it's super clean. Yeah, it's very clean. Can't wait to see what it's gonna look like once those pads are dry and we can put them on. So we've got everything that's been washed in here ready to put back on. So that's what I'm gonna do. So we're all done. It looks a million times better. It looks like there's like a couple stains that didn't come out, but obviously way better than it was when we first started. Annabella wants to sit and it's so bad because it's clean. Yes?
Yeah. No, see pee-pee?
You want to sit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, oh,
Cool.
oh, pee-pee.
You want to go pee-pee?
Yeah.
Alright, so that's the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And check out our family channel if you're interested in family vlogs. And we will see you in our next one.